Did you pee pee? Oh no, that was slime from his mouth.
You pee pee? That looks so funny.
That's not funny, honey. Marshall, pop it.
Cam,
Get it, pop.
Corbin,
Hmm?
you got a black Sharpie?
I think so. Stop it! You stop spitting.
On my phone, it says
You don't tell me no. You better stop spitting.
starting at 3.
Yeah, that's nasty. So stop doing it. Stop for you. He jumped out the toilet.
Corbin, you just don't care. Yay, good for you, boo. Flush.
Or let me see your phone.
Thanks. Right there. Yay, good for you.